Happy Saturday night. If you're just getting home from the Ducks game, you'll notice it is absolutely perfect out there, in my opinion, for a football game, for really any outdoor activity. We held off on the rain. We were warmer than we thought we were going to be, and basically we're at 70 right now, and the sun is still shining. We have a few clouds out there that we're still dealing with. Look at this map, though, and I've made a still picture here, and you can see there was two cold fronts that I was talking about yesterday. There was one, and then there was two, and the first one was supposed to run through today. Now we're looking at a very weak warm front that was between those two cold fronts. You can see those clouds right there. That means there's a lot of moisture underneath that guy. There's actually a barrier there just along the coast, and it's really stopping it from coming inland. So it might seem a little windy out there. I know there's a small craft advisory along the coast for right now, and that goes until tomorrow. But there is already some rain in Astoria, Portland, Corvallis saw some drops as well. Here inland, like I said, we are warmer than we thought we were going to be, and that might be the case tomorrow if that warm front does indeed pass through. Behind it, we have another cold front to come through on Monday. That's when we could see our rain here in the valley areas and along the coast anyways, Florence and Newport as well. Otherwise, I think we're going to warm up pretty good in the middle of the week. Looking at Futurecast, you can see that on Sunday there's that rain, and we get pretty close there just in the afternoon. By about 2 o'clock, there's that rain just by Eugene, but it comes over north. So we could see a few drops here and there in the afternoon going into Monday morning as well. Otherwise, most of it's just cloud coverage. A lot of overcast that we're dealing with. A dreary Sunday, one of those days you're probably just going to want to lay around on the couch. Along the coast, of course, fog's still going to be a factor going into Monday and on Tuesday, but like I said, midweek, we do warm up a bit. Okay, we're looking at the jet stream, and like I said last night as well, it's starting to nudge into the Washington area. So it is bringing those warmer temperatures up from the southern areas as well, meaning we're going to keep those warmer temperatures until about Monday, and then we have high pressure settle in and warm temperatures kind of increase, and we actually see that 80-degree mark. So it is looking a little bit like fall, but briefly until about Tuesday and Wednesday. Most of that rain on this model doesn't even touch our areas, and so that's why it's kind of a 50-50 throw it up in the air kind of chance that we might see some drizzle. For now, I think Portland and Salem are really going to be the ones to get the brunt of that storm. Tomorrow along the coast, a lot of cloud coverage, but we will have gradual sun. You can see it's mostly cloudy there just as we wake up and then we start to break up. By about sundown, most of those clouds will return, will be mostly cloudy overnight going into Monday. 7-day forecast looking pretty good though. Plenty of sunshine in those next 7 days. You see we drop in temperature pretty good on Tuesday. We're at 57. A pretty chilly day there, but then we jump back up on Wednesday. We're partly cloudy, and it's kind of on and off clouds from there going into next weekend. Roseburg, partly cloudy tomorrow as well. We have plenty of sunshine in their forecast. We become mostly cloudy overnight, and we are near 80, so they have another warm day in front of them. But we finally hit that 80-degree mark on Monday. It's sunny days Tuesday and Wednesday, and then those clouds return Thursday and Friday. A pretty good weekend ahead for them, though, so that is good news. Move up to Corvallis, and like I said, they saw some drops today. Might see some drops tomorrow going into Monday as well. Another mostly cloudy day for them, mid-70s, and then clouds return just after 8 o'clock. It's going to be overcast basically going into Monday, especially if they don't see any rain. Hopefully, if we get that rain, those clouds will kind of burn off and dissipate off. Eugene sunset tomorrow at 7:18, just 73, a day much like today, but a few more sun breaks than we saw today as well. Mostly cloudy overnight, and then the 7-day forecast for Eugene also looking pretty good. Sunday streets tomorrow, so if you're headed out there, like I said, a pretty good day to have any outdoor activity, but we will have possibly some rain going into Monday. Otherwise, those temperatures really stable and looking pretty good.
Okay, now quit talking.
Hey, it was worse yesterday.